Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you're new here, I am Jazz. Today I'm gonna do another cooking video. Today I'll be making a popular dish known as Kitchri. I think it's an Indian dish. I'm not quite sure because I know some Indian persons and they actually know about this dish. I usually thought it was a Caribbean thing, but actually even the Indians, they know about it too. So Kitchri is what I'll be making today. It's a vegetarian dish. So as I go about putting my things in my pot, I'll be telling you what I'm using for this dish. Now this dish goes well with chutney, mango chutney especially. That is what I enjoy it with. So if you love mango chutney, this is gonna be a good dish to go with that. Okay, let us get into it, guys. So here is my pot that I'll be using. So firstly, you want to put it in medium heat. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of oil to my pot. I'm gonna add my onions. Garlic. Some pepper. Let's go with that. Frying a bit. My peas. So I've used 2 cups of peas, but because I have boiled it already, that is why it looks so much. So you have to boil it a little before because, as you know, peas is very hard and it won't cook properly. So I boiled it for about 20 minutes. My rice, so I'm using 3 cups of rice. I've already washed it, so I'm gonna add it to my pot. Give that a stir there. I like stirring my pot as I go. So I'm gonna be adding a Maggie vegetable cube to my pot. Just put it in. I also have kale and some okra. I'll be adding that to my pot as well. Now you could add this later, but I want to add it now because I want it to boil with the rice and the peas. I'm also going to add some baby spinach. I love my baby spinach. And this is completely optional. I'm gonna add some pumpkins to my pot. Now I'm gonna add a cup of coconut milk. And I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. I'm adding 4 cups because this rice wasn't boiled before and I want it to boil and cook properly. Something like that. Okay, so I have to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, or you know it as saffron. I'm gonna add this to the pot because I want it to have this nice yellow color. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of cooking salt. Just for taste. Because you know I'm not a salt person. Now I'm gonna cover it and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes and then I'll have a look at what's going on with our pot. Okay, so I'm just checking the pot. It's been 50 minutes since it's boiling and this smells so good. Like, I thought I put too many spinach and kale, but it actually melted and it looks so good, like how I wanted it to look. So, oh my god guys, this smells so good. I can't wait for this to be finished. I hope you try this dish because it looks so healthy. Okay, I'm just gonna let it boil and then I'll be finished. Guys, so this is what our kitchri looks like. It is finished. It looks so good. It smells so nice. It looks so healthy. I hope you try this. Tell me how it goes. Like, this is something new to some of you. Some of you knew it. I hope you try it out. Let me know. Please remember to subscribe, share videos, give us a like, leave us a comment. Let us know what you're cooking today, guys. So I've taken some out in a little plate. I'm gonna go sit and enjoy this. It looks so yummy.